Hey there, have you ever found yourself feeling overwhelmed, stressed out, or easily affected by the challenges and obstacles life throws your way? Well, I've been there too, and I want to share with you today some powerful principles that have helped me navigate through the toughest of times. These principles, when applied consistently, can help you build an unshakable foundation, allowing you to face any situation with unwavering confidence and resilience. Imagine for a moment a tall, sturdy oak tree standing in the middle of a vast field. Picture the tree's deep, extensive roots anchoring it firmly to the ground. Now visualize a fierce storm brewing on the horizon, with dark clouds, heavy rain, and powerful winds. As the storm approaches and the winds intensify, the oak tree sways and bends, but it never breaks. Its strong roots keep it grounded, and its flexible branches allow it to adapt to the changing conditions. That oak tree, my friends, represents the power of having a solid foundation and the ability to withstand any challenge that comes your way. So what are these principles that can help you become like that resilient oak tree? Let's dive in and explore them together. Principle 1, develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities, intelligence, and talents can be developed and improved through dedication and hard work. When you embrace a growth mindset, you view challenges as opportunities for learning and growth, rather than as threats or obstacles. You understand that failure is not a permanent state, but rather a stepping stone towards success. By adopting this mindset, you become more resilient in the face of adversity, as you know that every experience, whether positive or negative, contributes to your personal growth and development. To cultivate a growth mindset, start by reframing your thoughts and language. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try saying, "I can't do this yet, but I'm willing to learn and improve." Embrace challenges as opportunities to stretch yourself and expand your skill set. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and learn from your mistakes. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about continuously striving to become better than you were yesterday. Principle 2, focus on what you can control. In life, there will always be things beyond your control: the weather, the economy, other people's actions and opinions. However, there is one thing you have complete control over, and that is your own thoughts, emotions, and actions. When you focus your energy on the things you can influence, you empower yourself to create positive change in your life. Instead of worrying about what others think of you or dwelling on past mistakes, direct your attention to the present moment and the actions you can take to improve your situation. Set clear goals for yourself and develop a plan of action to achieve them. Take responsibility for your own happiness and well-being, and don't wait for external validation or approval. Remember, you are the architect of your own life, and you have the power to shape your destiny. Principle 3, practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful force that can transform your outlook on life. When you actively seek out things to be grateful for, you shift your focus from what you lack to the abundance that surrounds you. This shift in perspective can help you maintain a positive mindset, even in the face of adversity. Each day, take a few moments to reflect on the things you are thankful for. It could be something as simple as a warm cup of coffee, a beautiful sunset, or a kind gesture from a friend. Keep a gratitude journal and write down 3 to 5 things you appreciate each day. Express your gratitude to others, and watch how it strengthens your relationships and creates a ripple effect of positivity. Principle 4, surround yourself with positivity. The people you surround yourself with and the environment you create have a significant impact on your mindset and overall well-being. Seek out individuals who inspire, support, and uplift you. Surround yourself with people who share your values and goals, and who encourage you to be your best self. Create a positive and nurturing environment for yourself, both physically and mentally. Fill your space with things that bring you joy and inspiration, whether it's uplifting quotes, beautiful artwork, or plants that purify the air. Engage in activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul, such as reading, exercising, or pursuing a hobby you're passionate about. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose your inner circle wisely. Surround yourself with individuals who challenge you to grow, who believe in your potential, and who support you through thick and thin. Principle 5, embrace discomfort. Growth and comfort rarely coexist. To truly grow and reach your full potential, you must be willing to step outside of your comfort zone and embrace discomfort. When you challenge yourself to do things that scare you or push you beyond your perceived limits, you expand your horizons and discover strengths you never knew you had. Start small by setting goals that stretch you just beyond your current abilities, whether it's speaking up in a meeting, trying a new hobby, or taking on a challenging project at work. Embrace the discomfort that comes with stepping into uncharted territory. Remember, the greatest achievements often lie on the other side of fear and discomfort. As you become more comfortable with being uncomfortable, you'll find that your confidence grows and your ability to handle challenges increases. You'll develop a resilience that allows you to bounce back from setbacks and keep pushing forward, no matter what obstacles come your way. Principle 6, practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is not a luxury, it's a necessity. When you prioritize your physical, mental, and emotional well-being, you create a strong foundation that allows you to weather any storm. Make self-care a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Set aside time for activities that recharge your batteries and bring you joy. Whether it's taking a relaxing bath, going for a walk in nature, or practicing meditation, find what works for you and make it a priority. Remember, self-care is not selfish. When you take care of yourself, you show up as your best self in all areas of your life, your relationships, your work, and your personal pursuits. You have more energy, focus, and resilience to tackle challenges and pursue your goals. Principle 7, cultivate a strong support system. No one achieves success alone. Having a strong support system is crucial for navigating life's ups and downs. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, who encourage you, and who are there for you during both the good times and the tough times. Build meaningful relationships with family, friends, and colleagues who share your values and goals. Be open and honest about your struggles and challenges, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Remember, vulnerability is a strength, not a weakness. In turn, be there for others when they need support. Offer a listening ear, a helping hand, or a word of encouragement. When you invest in your relationships and build a strong support system, you create a network of people who will be there for you through thick and thin. Principle 8, embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of the journey towards success. When you view failure as a learning opportunity, you remove the fear and stigma associated with it and open yourself up to growth and improvement. When you encounter setbacks or failures, take a step back and reflect on what you can learn from the experience. Ask yourself what worked well, what could I have done differently? What skills or knowledge do I need to acquire to improve next time? Use these insights to refine your approach and develop a plan for moving forward. Remember, the most successful people in the world have encountered countless failures along the way. What sets them apart is their ability to learn from their mistakes, adapt, and keep pushing forward. Embrace failure as a necessary part of the learning process and use it as fuel for your growth and development. Principle 9, focus on progress, not perfection. Striving for perfection can be paralyzing and can prevent you from taking action. Instead of aiming for perfection, focus on making progress and taking consistent steps towards your goals. Celebrate your small wins and acknowledge the progress you make each day, no matter how small. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. Every step you take, every obstacle you overcome, and every lesson you learn contributes to your growth and development. Let go of the need to have everything figured out before you start. Take action, even if you don't have all the answers. Trust that you will learn and adapt along the way, and that each step you take will bring you closer to your goals. Principle 10, practice mindfulness and stay present. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos and lose sight of what truly matters. Practicing mindfulness and staying present can help you maintain a sense of calm and clarity, even in the midst of uncertainty. Take a few moments each day to pause and connect with the present moment. Notice your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Take deep breaths and anchor yourself in the here and now. When you find your mind wandering to the past or the future, gently bring your attention back to the present moment. By staying present, you reduce stress and anxiety, improve your focus and concentration, and develop a greater sense of inner peace and contentment. You become more attuned to your own needs and the needs of those around you, and you develop a deeper appreciation for the beauty and richness of life. In conclusion, these 10 principles, developing a growth mindset, focusing on what you can control, practicing gratitude, surrounding yourself with positivity, embracing discomfort, practicing self-care, cultivating a strong support system, embracing failure as a learning opportunity, focusing on progress, not perfection, And practicing mindfulness and staying present are powerful tools for building resilience and navigating life's challenges with grace and strength. Remember, implementing these principles is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and consistency to make them a part of your daily life. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and trust the process. As you embrace these principles and make them a part of who you are, you'll find that you become more resilient, more confident, and more capable of handling whatever life throws your way. You'll develop an unshakable foundation that allows you to weather any storm and emerge stronger, wiser, and more compassionate. So, my friends, I encourage you to take these principles to heart and start applying them in your life today. Start small and build momentum over time. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage you, and be that source of support and encouragement for others. Remember, you have the power to shape your own destiny. You have the strength, the resilience, and the potential to achieve great things. Believe in yourself, stay true to your values, and never give up on your dreams. Together, let's build a world where we lift each other up, where we celebrate our differences, and where we work together to create a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come. Thank you for listening, and remember, you are stronger than you know, and you have everything you need to face any challenge that comes your way. Keep shining your light, and never stop believing in yourself and your potential for greatness.